Hey, thanks for coming to see my new listing. I'm Cliff Kessler with Ali Beth Alman & Associates. This is 1201 Woodlawn here in Kessler Park near Bishop Arts. It's a newer construction, 2018 build, super special house. Let's come check it out. There's some great features in this house. It's a 3-story house. On the first floor, you can see some really neat features. You've got wide plank floors. You've got this waterfall edge island with this open concept that kind of flows in from the kitchen to the living space, the dining space. And then you've got great Bosch stainless steel appliances, real light and bright with all these windows that surround it and the sliding doors. And then you can see back here, I'll show you, built-in fridge, double oven, and tons of storage space here. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Downstairs, you have kind of a great access back here to your mud room, to your oversized garage. All right, let's go check out the second level. One of the great things about the house is not only do you have 4 bedrooms, but you also have your own office here as well. It's a dedicated office. You can see there's tons of space here. These bedrooms have their ensuite baths, large ceilings. Take a look at all the tile work, it's great. Secondary living space up here on the second floor with all the bedrooms that kind of surround it. It's really neat if you have family and friends over and you kind of want to sit down, you want to watch a game, you can do it right there. So you have all 3 bedrooms and the office in this portion of the house right here. On the top floor is where all the magic happens. It's the primary suite here. So cool. You have a rooftop patio that comes off of the primary suite, ensuite bath, large walk-in closet. Adrian! Woo! You're the king of the world up here. Look at these panoramic views. You've got views of downtown Dallas. You've got views of Bishop Arts. It's such a cool space. Thanks for coming today to 1201 Woodlawn. I've got to get back to work. I got to sell this place. Feel free to call me. My number will be posted here. Happy to show it to you.